I could see. I don't know how well it can.
Shoot it from back there. That why the light ain't on it and shit.
Actor and superstar Ryan Baird. Ryan plays one of the drug dealers in this flick. Ryan, any words for our audience?
This movie sucks.
Okay. Then Justin Roark. He plays one of the cops in this flick. Justin, isn't it true you've always wanted to be a cop? Just got out of prison. Messing with the BB gun, folks. That's right. Have no fear when you see this movie. We're not using real guns. A low-budget flick. BB gun.
Howdy.
Oh my God.
Almost there, man, or what? Man, we almost there, or what? It's right around this corner up here. Just keep on.
Are you recording?
Man, you done fucked the tape up.
So, man, we almost there? Almost there, or what? We're fucking around this corner.
It should be down here.
I've got low my gun, man.
Here, I'll take care of that. Go on. Guy's just gonna sit in jail for a while. You know?
Hi, I'm Don McCreary, and I want to show you how to sling rock cocaine and smoke at the same time with my 12-step course and program, How to Sling Dope. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can I smoke crack and still make money at the same time? Well, it's real simple. If you order within the next 5 minutes, I'll send you my crackhead starter kit. You're gonna get some free Brillo and a shooter. Now, if you order within the next 2 minutes, I'm gonna send you my personally rigged lighter with a 5-inch flame. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can I sling dope and still make money? Well, I was smoking crack back in 1985. I now have a net worth of 15 keys of rock cocaine. And you can too. So, order your crackhead starter kit today, and you will be smoking strong. Now here's my brother, Gary Lepre.
Hi. I know what you're thinking, and I thought the same thing too. See, I used to be, like you, a geeker. But now I can hold crack rock and not really want it. Okay, let's go. Now over here, come along with me, folks. Folks at home. Excuse me, sir, do you smoke crack cocaine?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, speak up so the audience at home can hear us. Do you
Yeah.
smoke crack cocaine?
Yeah.
Do you have any money on you? Would you like to buy this piece?
I ain't got no money.
Well, maybe we can do a little trading. There you are, sir. There you see it, folks. Folks, we're over here, folks. See there? 100 piece. We take it in a black bucket, sell it for 2,500, and I can get 25 pieces to his 1 piece. That's how it works.
Back, and I'm with one of our satisfied customers, Justin Roark. Justin, tell him how you've made so much money selling crack cocaine.
Crackheads. We're all over.
Now, where would you say the best place to sell?
I have to say Hamilton, Dick.
What type of benefits have you got from selling rock cocaine? I mean, not only is it quick money selling to dope fiends, but explain some of the other benefits that you get.
Well, Dick, I got cars, women. I got dudes following me around wanting to hang out.
Right. let's see the type of rock you got today.
Well, let's see. I got my
This looks like some nice butter, as you can see.
oh yeah. See, now the other day, man, I had this geeker come up to me, man, named Glenn Hoover. Lives up in Fort Smith.